Okay, in lesson 31 or lesson objective, once again, we'll be able to divide decimal dividends by non-unit decimal divisors. And today's lesson, we're basically just going to be getting with bigger numbers. We're still doing MAFS 5, MBT 27, which we're dividing decimals to the hundreds using concrete models, and we're basically working with a standard algorithm now. Okay, so let's start off with our first example. First example is 34 8/10 divided by 6/10. And the first thing we're going to do is rewrite it as a fraction. Now we have to determine what equivalent fraction of one we have to multiply to get rid of this decimal on the divisor. We can see just 1. So I need to multiply it by 10 to move the decimal point 1 position. That'd be 348 divided by 6. So let's come down here and do our standard algorithm, 348 divided by 6. Now, at this point, you have to be doing standard algorithm. You can't be doing repeated subtraction. You shouldn't be doing a lot of these other strategies. Standard algorithm is what you should be practicing at this point. Now, when we do standard algorithm, we know 6, we look how many 6 will go into 300s. 6 cannot go into 300s, but 6 can go into 34/10 5 times, because 5 times 6 is 30. And that leaves 4. I bring down my 8. 6 goes into 48 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. And it gives me a remainder of 0. So I know 58 should be my answer. So now I'm going to double check it. I got 58. And I'm going to multiply that by 6/10. 8 times 6 is 48. 5 times 4 is 30. And 4 is 34. Now I'm counting my decimal places I have to put back in. There's no decimal places in my first factor, but I have one decimal place in my second, so I have to put 1 back in. 34 8/10, which is checked. Let's go to our second one. First thing we do again is rewrite it as a fraction. Now determine how many multiples of 10 I have to multiply to get rid of this decimal, which I have to do 2, so it's going to be 100. Be 736 divided by 8. Now we do our standard algorithm, 736. We're going to divide it by 8. 8 goes into 700 0 times, but 8 goes in 73 9 times. 9 times 8 is 72. Gives us 1/10 left over. We bring down our 6. 8 goes in 16 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16, and with a 0 remainder. So it should be equal to 92. So let's check it. 92 times 800s. That'd be 16. 8 times 9 is 72, and 1 is 73. I have no decimal places in my first factor. I have 2 in the second one. So it comes out to 7 and 36 hundredths, which is what we started with, so it checks.